Welcome students. In today's video, we will discuss about intersection of sets. Intersection of sets means the common portion between two or more sets. What is the definition? The definition is intersection of sets contain only those elements which are common in all the sets. And we denote intersection of sets using this sign, that is A intersection B. For example, we have two set. One is set A, another one is set B. And what are the elements in A? It is 1, 3, 8, and 9. What are the elements of B? That is 3, 9, 6, 5. Now, according to the definition, what will be A intersection B? A intersection B will be the common element from both the sets. Now, if we look at these sets, what are the common element? 1. First, we consider 1. So, is 1 inside B? No. So, it's not the common element. Now, next is 3. So, is 3 inside B? Yes, it is. So, 3 is the common element between set A and B. So, first, we have written here 3. Next, 8. So, there is no 8 inside B, hence 8 is not a common element. Then, next element is 9. 9 is there inside B. So, 9 is also a common element that is present in both the sets. So, here we have written 9. So, 3 and 9. This is A intersection B because these two elements are the common elements in both the sets. Here we have another example where set A denotes the set of all even numbers. That means starting from 2 up to infinity, how many even numbers are there? Everything is inside set A. Set B has three elements that has 2, 3, and 6. So A intersection B will consist only the common element between the two sets. Now 2 is even number, so it is there in A also, as A is the set of all even numbers. So 2 will be here in A intersection B. Again 6. 6 is inside set A, as this is the even number. So we have to write 6 in as an element in A intersection B. But in case of 3, it does not it is not there in set A because it's not an even number, it's an odd number. So that's why 3 will be 3 will not be there in A intersection B. So A intersection B here will have only two elements, that is 2 and 6. So only the common portion of the two sets is the intersection. What is a Venn diagram? These are the Venn diagram. Here, this circle denotes set A and this circle denotes set B. Now this green region is the common region between these two sets. So this is the intersection of two sets. In case of three set, this is set A, this is set B, and this is set C. Now this in this green region, all the three set has their common portion in this green region. So this green region denotes the intersection of three sets. So these are the Venn diagram of intersection. Now I think you have a clear idea that what is the intersection of sets and how do we represent intersection via Venn diagram. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please do like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you in the next one.